Welcome to our guide on effective workouts to help you reach your fitness goals. Whether you're aiming for strength, endurance, flexibility, or weight loss, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be taking you through 10 different workout routines, each designed to target specific areas of fitness. No matter your experience level, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. Alright team, let's kick things off with a full body strength training session. This one's all about building lean muscle mass and firing up that metabolism. We'll be hitting all the major muscle groups, legs, back, chest, shoulders and arms, to ensure balanced strength and development. Remember, proper form is key. Focus on controlled movements, engaging the targeted muscles throughout each exercise. Don't be afraid to start with lighter weights and gradually increase the load as you get stronger. We'll be incorporating compound exercises like squats, deadlifts and presses, which work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing efficiency and calorie burn. These movements mimic everyday activities, making you stronger for everyday life. Remember to fuel your body with a good source of protein and complex carbs after your workout to aid in muscle recovery and growth. Now, let's get those muscles working. Ready to crank up the intensity and torch some serious calories? This height workout is your secret weapon for a quick and effective fat-burning session. We'll be alternating between short bursts of intense exercise, pushing your limits, and brief recovery periods. This method keeps your heart rate elevated, boosting your metabolism and maximizing calorie expenditure even after your workout is complete. The beauty of HIIT is its versatility. You can choose any exercise you enjoy, from burpees and mountain climbers to jumping jacks and high knees. The key is to go all out during those work intervals and use the recovery periods to catch your breath. This workout is perfect for those short on time, but still looking for maximum results. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Let's get that heart pumping. A strong core is the foundation for everything, from better posture and balance to improved athletic performance and reduced risk of injury. This workout will target your abdominal muscles and surrounding areas, building a rock-solid midsection. We'll be incorporating a variety of exercises that engage your core from all angles, including planks, crunches, Russian twists, and leg raises. Remember to focus on quality over quantity, maintaining proper form throughout each movement. Having a strong core not only improves your physical performance, but also helps prevent back pain and improves overall stability. It's like having a built-in support system for your entire body. So let's work those abs and build a core of steel. Chapter 4. Time to lace up those running shoes and get that blood pumping. This cardio endurance workout is all about improving heart health, boosting stamina, and increasing your aerobic capacity. Choose an activity you enjoy, whether it's running, swimming, cycling, or even dancing. The key is to maintain an elevated heart rate for an extended period, challenging your cardiovascular system and building endurance. Start at a pace you can comfortably maintain and gradually increase the intensity or duration of your workouts over time. Listen to your body and don't hesitate to take breaks when needed. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building endurance. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week or 150 minutes per week. Let's get moving and build that endurance. Chapter 5. Time to slow things down and focus on flexibility, balance, and mindfulness with this rejuvenating yoga routine. Yoga is an incredible practice for improving range of motion, reducing stress, and enhancing overall well-being. We'll be flowing through a series of poses that stretch and strengthen your muscles, improve circulation, and calm your mind. Pay attention to your breath throughout each pose, using it as an anchor to stay present and release any tension. Don't worry if you're not flexible right away. Yoga is a journey, not a destination. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, this routine will leave you feeling refreshed, centered, and more connected to your body. Let's find our flow and embrace the power of yoga. Chapter 6. Ready to sculpt those arms, shoulders, chest, and back? This upper body strength workout will have you feeling powerful and confident in no time. We'll be focusing on exercises that target all the major muscle groups in your upper body, including push-ups, pull-ups, rows, and bicep curls. Remember to maintain proper form and control throughout each movement, engaging your core for stability. Building upper body strength not only enhances your physique but also improves your posture, making everyday activities easier. Plus, who doesn't love feeling strong and capable? Let's unleash our inner strength and build that upper body power. Chapter 7. Lower body strength workout. Time to work those legs and glutes, building strength and power from the ground up. This lower body workout will target all the major muscles in your lower half, including your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. We'll be incorporating a mix of compound and isolation exercises, such as squats, lunges, deadlifts, and calf raises. Remember to focus on proper form and engage your core throughout each movement for stability. Having strong legs and glutes not only improves your athletic performance, but also supports your lower back and reduces the risk of injuries. Plus, it's a great feeling to have that lower body strength and power. Let's get those legs burning and build a strong foundation. Chapter 8. Bodyweight workout. No equipment. No gym, no problem. This bodyweight workout proves you don't need any fancy equipment to get a killer workout. We'll be using our own body weight as resistance, challenging our muscles and building strength and endurance. From push-ups and squats to lunges and planks, this routine will work your entire body, leaving you feeling energized and accomplished. Bodyweight exercises are incredibly effective for building functional strength, improving mobility, and increasing cardiovascular fitness. Plus, they can be done anywhere, anytime, making fitness accessible to everyone. So let's ditch the excuses and get ready to sweat. Chapter 9. Beginner workout routine. New to fitness? Welcome aboard. This beginner-friendly workout routine is designed to ease you into exercise and build a solid foundation of strength and endurance. We'll be focusing on basic movements with modifications to suit all fitness levels. Remember to listen to your body, take breaks when needed, and gradually increase the intensity or duration of your workouts as you get stronger. Starting slow and steady is key to preventing injuries and building sustainable habits. Celebrate your progress along the way and enjoy the journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's get moving and embrace the power of movement. Chapter 10. Mobility and recovery workout. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. This mobility and recovery routine focuses on improving range of motion, preventing injuries, and promoting relaxation. We'll be incorporating dynamic stretches, foam rolling techniques, and light movements to increase blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and improve overall flexibility. Taking the time to care for your body through mobility work and recovery practices will help you move better, feel better, and perform at your best. Let's show our bodies some love and optimize our recovery. Outro. Start training today. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with your routine for at least 4 to 6 weeks to see noticeable progress. Gradually increase weights, reps, or intensity to continue challenging your body. Don't forget to rest and pair your workout with a healthy, balanced diet to maximize results. Choose the workout that best fits your goals and lifestyle, and make sure to listen to your body along the way. Now get out there, crush your goals, and enjoy the journey. Happy training!